Hi guys, this is Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 7, essay about parent-posed obstacles to student success, 120 points, 1,000 words. So what are parent-posed obstacles to student success? These are problems that parents cause their children and they lead to their children not succeeding academically. Okay, let's survey this assignment. We have 5 links here. I will be clicking on the due dates link. I'm going to ask you to click on and read the requirements on your own, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose. All right, let's survey this assignment. We have a part 1, and we have a part 2, and we have a works cited, and we have help with quoting, as you will be quoting in this assignment. All right, let's go up and let's read part 1. I'm going to make the screen bigger so we can see it. So part 1. For a targeted reader group of your choice, teachers, students, parents, administrators, politicians, 1. Write a 3 to 4 page essay, 750 to 1,000 words, in which you explain what the takeaways are for parents in Ryan Park's June 22nd, 2018 New York Times article, The Last of the Tiger Parents, and Theodore S. Ransaw's 2017 article, Cool Papas, 6 fathers in mid-Michigan who utilize play in their fathering involvement to help their children learn. So what are takeaways? A takeaway. All right. A conclusion to be made based on presented facts or information, a main point or key message to be learned or understood from something experienced or observed. So what are the takeaways that you have from Ryan Park's article, The Tiger Parents, and Theodore S. Ransaw's article, Cool Parents? Okay, the second part of the directions. In your essay, explain how student proficiency statistics for high school seniors in 2015 mathematics and reading at grade 12 in the Nation's Report Card 2015 may or may not confirm the contentions that Park and Ransaw make in their respective articles. And you have a link to this source, the Nation's Report Card. 3. Support your thesis for persuasive purpose. Something that you want to persuade readers must be done in order to prevent parents from becoming obstacles to their children's academic success. In other words, write an essay with a rhetorical focus. If you do not know what a rhetorical focus is, please view the video below. And we have our video about developing a rhetorical focus for an essay here. Okay, part 2, click here at this link for peer evaluation directions. We're going to click here, and our peer evaluation directions come up. Please read them carefully. Okay, I'm going to go back into the article, and I'm going to scroll up and click on the due dates. Okay, so here are our due dates. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you will not be able to meet these due dates, come over here to inbox, email me, and let's have a conversation. Tell me why you think the assignment will be late, what your problem is, what is impeding you, and we'll try to work out a solution together. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, take us back into our assignment, discussion 7, essay about parent-posed obstacles to student success, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. You're never bothering me when you email me. You can email me as many times as you need to until the assignment is clear to you. Never worry about that. If it's not clear, I need to make it clear, and you'll teach me how to do so by asking me questions. Okay, enjoy writing this essay. Discussion 7. about parent-posed obstacles to student success.